Today I decided to make some Karage chicken. I'm marinating the chicken in some ginger, mirin, soy sauce, salt and pepper and giving it a good rub. I'm going to coat the chicken with some potato starch and I'm adding some water to the potato starch to make it nice and lumpy. I feel like the big lumps will make the chicken extra crispy and provide a different texture. So I'm coating the chicken in the potato starch and really packing it in there till it's well coated. Now I'm making sure the oil is nice and hot and I'll add the chicken in. So technically you're meant to refry the chicken so that it becomes extra crispy, but mine actually turned out a little browner than I wanted, so I decided just to fry it once. To go with the chicken, I'm going to make some sushi rice, so I start off by adding some vinegar, some salt, some sugar, and mix. And because I'm taking it to go, I'm going to put it in a container and chop up some avocado, some cucumber, and some carrot, and put it in a container, and we're done.